Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how we can creating for cPanel? So cPanel, when it is possible to create any website, any particular hosting, who will be purchasing for reseller hosting? Always remember, so now I'm creating for cPanel account when it is possible. When you are creating for hosting will be reseller hosting, we can creating for cPanel. Why? Because they're providing for particular cPanel option. Unlimited cPanel, limited cPanel, everything will be here is the option. So that is the your particular reseller hosting will be providing will be here. So 10 GB, 20 GB, 30 GB. So different packages. So these are all providing for particular option will be given to the particular customer. So there are different plans. You click for plans will be here. This is the particular option. So coming to this, any other hosting, cloud related reseller hosting will be different. So any particular cPanel will be purchased, they are providing nothing but WHM, Web Hosting Manager. Without Web Hosting Manager, we can't create by the control panel. So that is called where you can create a control panel using for WHM. What is WHM? Nothing but Web Hosting Manager. So I'm clicking for create new account. Here I'm selecting for particular account will be here. So I'm purchasing domain, everything is perfect. So how we can connecting for domain and hosting? The domain and hosting will be connecting with nothing but your name servers. So this is our domain name. Copy, paste, and after that I'm enter the password. After that, which is the required email. After this, click here, mail rotating. Everything will be local mail. DNS will be all are updated here. Click for create. So this is nothing but we have to create the cPanel. Nothing but your control panel will be created. So any particular website to create the control panel, that only option is called WHM. So suppose without WHM, can I create the cPanel? Is a no possible. Is a not possible for create the cPanel without WHM. This all belongs to for which account is reseller that's providing for WHM to creating for control panel account. So after control panel, how to open? Click it. Control panel nothing but that website all controls will be given by the cPanel. The shortcut name is control panel. The full name is the control panel. Short name is called cPanel. cPanel thing but what are the website controls that all belongs to for cPanel option. The cPanel will be making a website purpose to build using sitepad builders or WordPress, a number of options. Use these categories to making a website purpose. That all files will be storage by the file manager, the PHP. So how much disk usage, this all we can given by the particular users. So any website, you can create the control panel. The hosting name is called reseller hosting. The first of all providing for WHM, after that creating for reseller hosting. So those steps you can follow to create the control panel each and every website. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.